Hi, it's Dan from Fret Success. I'm going to take you through the B flat suspended 4th chord. I'm going to play it first so you know what we're going to learn. So most of the action happens here down on the 1st fret, and you essentially bar across most of the fret with your 1st finger, but you want to mute the top string there with just the top of your 1st finger, so playing that all the way across there. And then you want to add your 3rd and 4th fingers. So your 3rd finger goes there on the G string on the 3rd fret, and your 4th finger goes there on the B string there on the 4th fret. And then remembering to mute the top string because that isn't in the B flat. You want to then play ideally from that 2nd string on the A and then play through it. So what is the B flat sus4? So essentially a sus4 chord is when you play a major chord but you change that major 3rd note for a major 4th note, and that gives that feeling of suspense that you get. So the notes here are the B flat, the E flat and the F. The E flat is that suspended major 4th that we're adding in there. I hope you enjoyed this little video on this chord. If you want more, go to the website at fretsuccess.com and join the free Fret Success Academy. See you next time.